Hello and welcome back. Do you know making chicken broth is very simple and easy? It requires less ingredients to achieve this, so sit back, let's get right in. So now you're going to get your chicken, add in your chopped onions and peppers, add some garlic and ginger, add in some thyme, add some curry and your favorite seasoning. Now you are going to stir that up together for it to be well combined, and then you're going to be covering that and you are going to allow it to cook for a while. You don't need to add water at this point. You're going to allow it cook with its own juice. After a few minutes, you can see that it has brought out some water. Now you're going to test that to see that everything is okay. The seasoning, the spices are all, perfect. After which you're going to add in more water and then cover it up and allow it to cook for about 20 to 30 minutes more. And here we go, guys. Our chicken broth is now ready, as you can see. So now we are going to take out the chicken out of the broth. I like to filter mine, I like to filter out all the particles so I can have a very clear chicken broth. If you don't like it that way, you can leave it like that and use it that way. It's still okay. This chicken broth is perfect for jollof rice, stews, sauces, and pasta. Mind you, if you want to use it for soups, especially the Nigerian soup, you have to skip the ginger, garlic, and curry, okay? So this is how it is. Very easy to make. So stop buying from the stores. Do not buy from the stores anymore. Make yours at home. Now I'm going to allow it to cool down. After it's cool, I'm going to store it in the fridge. Anytime I want to use it, I'll then bring it out. So guys, thank you so much for watching up to this point. Please, as you have watched, like, comment and share. Let's know your take on this. Will you be trying this? Bye for now and hope to see you again in my next video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on your notification for more.